Welcome to Write It in 5. I'm author Victoria J. Coe. Today's session is persuasive writing. No pressure, no rules. Your challenge, write as much as you can in 5 minutes. The topic this time is come up with as many reasons as you can that skipping a daily shower or not showering at all is a good idea. So grab a notebook, grab a pencil, and if you need help getting started, consider some people believe daily showers are important, but that's not always true. Or, when you think about it, skipping a daily shower makes a lot of sense. No rules, just write for 5 minutes. Time starts now. You're halfway there. Keep coming up with more reasons. One minute left. Keep going. See how much more you can write. Time's up. Did you surprise yourself at how much you can write? It's amazing what you can do in just 5 minutes. Bonus, share or swap with a partner and ask them, what do you want to know more about? If you could change one thing, what would it be? If you want to write more or add on, go for it. No pressure. And I will see you next time.